see.
Oh, it shows fairies and oh.
Really?
It shines up on the wall. Whose wall is that going to shine up on?
What?
Oh, you're probably right.
Yep.
I see. Fairy garden and friends. Wow. Garden of fairies and friends.
Yeah.
Lights and sounds.
Really, just thanks. You're welcome. Thanks.
She said, "What's next? You want to open this one?"
Yeah. You want to open some more?
You a present.
Aunt Megan got you
Get it.
something.
Oh
You
my
better
God.
get
Put
it.
the door down. Let her sleep.
Start
You
pulling
say-
that
you
pull
say
that
thank
money
you.
out.
Say thank you.
With that.
Oh, said it. When somebody gives you something, you always have to say thank you, okay?
Unless your last name is. I better not say it on the video. What is it? Why are you smiling? Can you show me what it is? You're all smiles at Megan, but what is it? I can't see. Is it a puzzle? What kind of puzzle? Who is that? What? Say it fast. What? Who is it? And then what's that? Princess what? And what's that? Do you know who that is? Who is it? Is that Sophia?
Wow. Puzzles on the go.
And you what? Do you have cat puzzles? Did you go say? Did you say?
It's a cat puzzle. It doesn't look like it.
And there you go, Dorian.
It looks like your cat.
Does
Does that look like your cat? Does that look like your cat? Why? What color's your cat? She called you mommy. You must be her mommy.